Hi guys, and welcome to this video of how to learn English in the Duolingo app. So let's get straight into the video. First thing you want to do is go to the website of duolingo.com. So yeah, you can make an account on here, or if you already have one, just click on this. But yeah, you probably don't have an account on here, so yeah, let's just get started. So the what you want to learn is the language English, so we just want to click on that. Then you click on the language you speak. So for my instance, it's Dutch. And then you wanna wait it for it to load. Yeah, now it changed to Dutch, so yeah, don't mind this. We're just gonna skip this if I can. Skip this real quick. Yeah, allow. Yeah, and then you just want to click on this button. So now it asks me what is the coffee.
Coffee,
That's this one, obviously. Then you want to continue. Which one of these is hello?
hello,
That's this one.
neat,
Neat. It's
neat,
probably this one.
hat,
Yeah, so you can just do this in your own language.
hat,
I just want to go through this real quick, so I'll get back to you when I am done with this.
tea,
Yeah, so I just went back, I skipped it a little bit, so you will see this page. Unfortunately, this is in Dutch, but what it means is chapter 1, order a drink and introduce yourself. So you can just go from start all the way down, all the chapters, and then, oh, it's actually a lot. Let's see, in the end we have chapter 69. So by then I think your English should have improved a lot. And if you want to, save your progress, I advise you to just make a profile. Yeah, anyway, that's how you can learn English on this website. I don't know about the app, but I just showed you on the browser. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.